Are you ready to shimmer and shine all summer long with this gorgeous makeup look? Today I'll show you how to embrace your inner shimmer in just a few steps. And ladies, we can sparkle at any age. I'm starting out with my foundation and brows already applied. First, I'm applying Mary Kay Chroma Fusion eyeshadow in Shiny Penny on the inner half of my eyelids. Next, I'll dab on some of the Mary Kay liquid eyeshadow in Pink Starlight to the center and the inner corner of the lid. You can just use your finger to blend this part. Next, I'm taking Frozen Iris and just applying to the outer corner of the lid. You can take a clean Mary Kay blending brush and blend together at the crease to create that seamless sunset effect. Now I'm adding Mary Kay eyeliner in MK Black to the upper lash line. You could also use MK Brown if you have a lighter skin tone. Lastly, just a few swipes of Lash Intensity Mascara to finish the eyes. Mary Kay Chroma Fusion Blush in Juicy Peach is one of my go-to shades right now. The punchy pink shade is so fun for summer. Finish with a swipe of Mary Kay Unlimited Lip Gloss in Sheer Illusion, and I feel like I'm ready for a sunset rendezvous. Contact your Mary Kay independent beauty consultant to get these products and more. And if you try this look, be sure to tag us on social media at Mary Kay US. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. We have lots of other makeup tutorials on our channel that you may like.